Hey everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. I am doing a sandwich pour today inspired by Sarah Mack. It's a really cool technique where you do large layers of one solid color, usually white, and then some smaller layers of color, and you have to see the results because, oh my goodness, it looks like such a simple technique that has such beautiful, beautiful results. So let's get painting. So today I'm painting over a piece that I was not completely happy with, and I'm really sad that I wasn't happy with this piece because it was a really fun collaboration that I did with Mark J. Ratcliffe. I will link that video down at the very end. So I'm starting with my Mont Titanium White, and next I'm using Amsterdam Prussian Blue Phthalo. It's a very, very pretty dark greenish blue. And then a 50-50 mix of DecoArt Rich Espresso and the 24 karat gold. Some Mont Aqua Green, just to give it a little bit of a lighter tone in there. And then I'm repeating. I'm simply using those three colors, and that's it. And the results of this piece are so cool. So definitely stay tuned to the end for the close-up and some pictures. All right, I'm going to add in some music. Enjoy this piece, and I will see you at the end. Here is how you can contact me. My website is amysacrylicartistry.com. I have pieces posted for sale there, as well on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG, or you can email me at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. One of the tips that I got from Sarah Mack was to leave a little bit of paint in the bottom of your cup so you can add in ribbons to where you think you need a little bit of extra pop. You can also use that to finish any corners or spots that maybe didn't get covered with paint while you were tilting. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'm so very close to hitting 1,000 subscribers and would love if you would help me get there. I love the results of this piece. I have done a few since creating this little 20 by 10 piece. Love, love, love. It's definitely going to be a technique that I do a few more of. So make sure that you watch my channel and see how I have done. I'm going to do a very massive canvas, separated again. Love the challenge of a large canvas. I love the combination of these colors, lots of dark lines, lots of light lines, as well as beautiful cells that pop through. You definitely need to try this if you are a fluid artist, and make sure you tag me. I would love to see your results. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!